We'll guide you through how to view and see like posts on Facebook. If you find this useful, then consider subscribing and liking the video. Here we are on Facebook, and so for whatever reason you want to go and view your like posts. Perhaps you're interested in seeing the different things you've liked and you want to go back through them, or perhaps you remember liking something which you regret and so now you want to go and unlike it. It doesn't matter, we'll guide you through how you can see them and get back to them, and let's do this. So come onto Facebook as we are here. Now what you need to do is go to the bottom right or top right and you want to go and press on the menu or profile button. It will vary depending upon the type of the device. So it used to get taken straight to your menu. You may get taken to your profile now. If you do, just press the three lines in the top left to open up the menu, but sometimes you do just get taken here, or you used to. And then what you need to do is go and scroll down, expand settings and privacy. And in here, you want to go and find the option for settings at the top. This will go and open up settings and privacy. And then what you need to do is you need to go and start scrolling down as we're looking for a specific section, that being your activity. And in here, we can go and find activity log. And in here, we'll be able to go and find our like posts. So press activity log. And then you want to go down and you want to go and at the top, actually expand your Facebook activity. And you can find manage comments and reactions. So at the moment, it's going to be mixed between comments and likes, which we don't want. So you can press filters in the top left. Go down to categories and you can then just select likes and reactions, and here they are. You can then go through them. You can start going and selecting them all to remove them all at once, or just select a few. Or what you can do is you can go and press the three dots to the right and like it, or you can go and view it.